Picture this. You're standing on the deck of a spaceship just beyond the orbit of Neptune, gazing back at the swirling blues and greens of our home planet. In the distance, far beyond the sun, lies a majestic sight, Saturn with its rings. But this is not a typical view. It's your window to a secret, known only to a few. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to descend onto one of Saturn's largest moons, Titan. Forget everything you think you know about moons. Titan is no ordinary celestial body. As you approach it, you'll see a dense atmosphere swirling around it, but it's not the atmosphere of Earth. Titan's surface is covered in ice, hiding a landscape that's both familiar and strange. Beneath the ice, there's a world that mirrors our own. There are mountains, valleys, dunes, rivers, lakes, and even seas. Lakes and seas made of liquid methane and ethane. Welcome to the only world outside of Earth that we know of, where rain falls from the sky, forming rivers, flowing to lakes, and finally evaporating into the thick atmosphere. Yes, it rains on Titan. It's a spectacle worth seeing, but also a puzzle. How can such a phenomenon exist so far from the sun? What you're experiencing is the result of billions of years of evolution. Titan was once hot, molten, and full of organic material. Over time, it cooled, but the essential components remained. That's why it's crucial for humanity to explore this moon. What you're about to do has never been done before. Your mission, as part of the NASA program, is to discover whether there's still water in the deep ocean below Titan's frozen crust. In fact, scientists believe that Titan could have twice as much water as Earth's oceans. It's a tantalizing thought. Water on a moon that's a candidate for hosting life, separated from Earth by a 1.6 billion kilometer distance. It's hard to imagine, but for scientists, this is not a fantasy. It's a hypothesis supported by observation and reason. To unravel this mystery, NASA has developed a plan that combines the latest technology with daring ideas. The program includes two main missions, Dragonfly and Kraken. Dragonfly is a nuclear-powered drone designed to fly across Titan, collecting samples and investigating the possibilities of extraterrestrial life. Meanwhile, Kraken involves sending a submarine to explore Titan's largest sea. The question is, how will these machines operate on a moon without sunlight? How will they communicate with Earth? And most importantly, how will they survive the extreme cold of Titan? These challenges seem insurmountable, yet NASA believes it can overcome them. Let's take Dragonfly, for example. It will use a nuclear-fission reactor to generate electricity. Just as dragonflies move gracefully through the air, this vehicle will hover over Titan, traveling from one point to another. The reactor will allow it to collect soil samples and perform on-site chemical analysis, searching for complex organic compounds, which are considered the building blocks of life. Imagine watching live as a dragonfly flies across Titan's surface, sending back images and data. You'd be witnessing history in real time. But Dragonfly is just the beginning. The true challenge lies in exploring Titan's underground ocean. This is where the Kraken mission comes in. The idea of a submarine on Titan might sound crazy, but it's actually quite simple. Scientists believe that by drilling a hole in the ice and launching a waterproof container equipped with various sensors, cameras, and sampling devices, they can reach the ocean below. This device will then function as a submarine, able to collect samples and transmit data back to Earth. But how will it work in an alien environment? The pressure on Titan's ocean floor is estimated to be 6 times greater than in the Mariana Trench, the deepest place on Earth's ocean floor. Additionally, temperatures below Titan's frozen crust can reach 90 degrees Celsius. How can a submarine withstand such extreme conditions? The answer lies in cutting-edge technology and innovative engineering. The sensors aboard the submarine will include video cameras, capable of withstanding intense pressure and transmitting clear images of the ocean floor. Chemical analysis equipment will be used to detect the presence of water and organic compounds, and a drill bit attached to a robotic arm will bore a hole through the ice, allowing the submarine to descend into the unknown. But what about communication? How can a submarine send information from a distance of 1.6 billion kilometers? The solution is to use a relay satellite positioned near Titan. The submarine will transmit its findings to the satellite, which in turn will forward them to Earth every 90 minutes. This way, scientists can monitor the progress of the mission and receive updates on any discoveries made by the submarine. Imagine the scene. You're sitting in front of your computer at NASA headquarters, watching live footage of the submarine descending into the depths of Titan's ocean. Suddenly, the feed cuts out and an alert appears. The submarine has detected signs of life. What started as a scientific mission has now turned into something extraordinary. You're witnessing the discovery that could change human history, but it doesn't end there. This mission also aims to explore the possibility of long-term human colonization on Titan, and you'll play a vital role in making it possible. NASA is already working on designs for self-sustaining habitats that can shield colonists from Titan's freezing temperatures and lack of sunlight. These habitats will serve as homes, research centers, and launch pads for future missions. Imagine living on a different world, conducting experiments that were once confined to science fiction movies. For some, it might seem like a dream come true, while others may see it as a threat to Earth's ecosystem. Colonizing Titan raises ethical questions that must be carefully considered. Should we interfere with any potential native life on the moon? How will humans adapt to the unique environment of Titan? These concerns are valid, and NASA plans to address them through extensive research and public debate. But for now, let's focus on the incredible journey that awaits you, the opportunity to explore a world unlike any other. Do you feel ready? It's important to remember that this mission won't be easy. Traveling to Titan takes time. The spacecraft will need to maneuver through the complexities of Saturn's rings, which could potentially damage the vehicle and disrupt the mission. Once they arrive, the crew will face the harsh reality of a frozen wasteland with temperatures dropping to -180°C. To ensure survival, the crew will have to maintain a constant supply of oxygen and warmth inside the habitat. But these challenges also offer exciting opportunities. Imagine the rush of excitement as the spacecraft breaks through the clouds of Titan and reveals its breathtaking landscape. You'll witness a world that's both familiar and strange, where mountains rise from the mist and mysterious lakes shimmer in the distance. But don't be fooled by its beauty. Titan is a harsh and unforgiving world that demands respect. From navigating through treacherous terrain to dealing with unexpected weather phenomena, the crew will have to remain vigilant and adaptable. And then there's the isolation. Cut off from the rest of humanity, the crew will have to rely on their training and teamwork to overcome any challenges that come their way. Throughout this journey, you'll face moments that will test your limits. There will be setbacks and failures, but also triumphs and discoveries that will expand our understanding of the universe. It's a chance to rewrite history, to push the boundaries of human exploration and discovery. The stakes couldn't be higher. As you stand on the precipice of this extraordinary adventure, consider the legacy you'll leave behind. Your journey will inspire generations to come, showing that human curiosity and courage have no bounds. Will you accept the mission? The future of space exploration hangs in the balance. Make your choice wisely and boldly, because your journey to Titan could change the course of human history forever. Now comment, would you participate in this mission? And what do you expect to see during the expedition? Share your thoughts. Goodbye.